It's a little challenging to try to do a hands-on activity online, but I'm going to try to go for it anyway. So if you're watching this video and you have not yet printed the sheet on the previous part of Schoology, I need you to print that out. It's the Pythagorean theorem proof. So I want you to print it out. It's actually 2 pages. And if you have access to scissors, go ahead and cut out each of the squares. If you don't have access to scissors, don't worry about it. You can just follow along with the video. But if you do, go ahead and cut out each of the squares because you're actually going to be moving them around and doing this little activity to have a better understanding of the proof of the Pythagorean theorem and why it works the way that it does. Okay, so after you've cut each of the squares out, or actually you could do this before as well, I want you to find the area of each of the squares. So I'm going to do that with you just in case any of you need help with it. If not, you can fast forward to the part of the video where we're already done labeling the areas. So I'm going to get a pen that's easy to see here. Let's see, let's do pink. So I'm going to go to each of the squares and I'm going to count, what's one side length? So for example, on this little bitty square, one side is 3 units. And I know that to find the area of a square, I'm going to take that one side and multiply it by another side. So basically 3 to the 2nd power. So the area of that square would be 9. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing for all the other squares. So this one here has a side length of 5, and I know that 5 times 5 is 25. So that one has an area of 25. The next one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That one has a side length of 6, and 6 times 6 is 36. And then this one has a side length of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 8 to the 2nd power, or 8 times 8 is 64. So that one has an area of 64. Okay. Oops, I skipped another small one, but this small one has 1, 2, 3, 4, a side length of 4, and 4 times 4 is 16. So that one has an area of 16. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one also has a side length of 5. So I've got another square with an area of 25. Let's move on to this bigger one here. Whoops. Trying to scroll down here 1 second. Okay, here we go. All right, this next one has a side length of 1, 2, 3. Wow, that's really thick. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that one has an area of 9 times 9, which is 81. Moving on to the next one. 1, 2, 3. Oops. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 times 10 is 100. So this one has an area of 100. Whoops. Trying to scroll down again. 1 second. Okay, this next one here, whoops, there it is. Trying to get my highlighter on again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that one has an area of 12 times 12. Whoopsie. Let me go back to the pen here, which is 144. Okay. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so we have another one that has side lengths of 12 by 12. So another one with an area of 144. Okay, this one's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So this one's a 13 by 13, which would be an area of 169 square units. And then last but not least, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So this square is a 15 by 15, and I know that 15 to the second power is 225. So go ahead and make sure that you have all of those cut out and labeled. And if you don't have access to scissors, make sure you just have them labeled.